Ready? We're gonna cook this. I'm gonna cook king crab for my first time. Ew. I don't know if I still want to eat the crab. Eat him again. Remind me of the Alien movie. You know the Alien? And then he goes so, and then there's the slime all over him. It just looked like that. Ew. And I'm Ed, I'm Brains.
Yeah, everything.
Jesus. I don't want to eat him again. Where do you like to hang out? We at the bottom of the ocean. Ooh yeah, this is right. So here is where we caught the king crab. And we're going to cook him today. Yes, so stay tuned and see how we're going to prepare this big boy. Hi. Got a crab. Oh, we have a... Really?
I'm going
After we carry you so far?
Going home.
Bye, guys.
Tell the world I'm going. Yeah. Yeah.
Look at that. Different from my wish list, but hey, we're taking him. Woo, guys, look what I have. Bang! Yes, people, if you want to go check out that video, some garlic bird cooked down with lobster. Yeah, man, you can go over and head over and check out that video with Anthony and Nikki and our Stretch.
Yeah.
Cool. Anyway, today we're gonna handle that king crab. Yeah. I'm gonna try. I have never prepared it, and Anthony's like, "You gonna cook it, you know?" I said, "Me."
Everything we need there.
Everything is there? Oh gosh. So bye.
Yeah.
Come back when it's ready.
Yeah, just give me camera and bite.
Nice.
No fun.
Look at the goodness. He's here.
Every single thing.
Yeah, man. We have okra. Yes, sweet pepper, Irish, thyme. I know this. It has to go into the pot. Scotch bonnet, carrot, onion, thyme. Italian. People, in the Jamaican kitchen, this is a must. Goes into everything. Alright, I definitely can cut up this part. And of course, walking with a knife. Yeah. After I lost the other one, I have now one which is bigger and better. Sharp like. King crab for my first time. Yes.
Let me get the right knife one. No.
Wait me the right knife. What? Also, you're gonna get a hold of this knife just to know that this is the right knife. Not the right knife. Right knife. Right knife. No sir. All right, just cut something and I give you a try, a cut out of this knife.
No, I'm not.
No, I want to test you. No, you're not gonna know how sharp this is.
It's not the sharpness. No,
It's not the sharpness?
No.
Oh, what?
Something else.
Oh, all right.
Let me start.
Eh? This side.
You can't change them now.
Right. That's... Oh. Right. Some parts of this onion not good. I'm gonna take that out. Take that out. So yes, guys, as you can see in the previous clip, me and Anthony, we went spearfishing, and what we got that day was a big king crab. Yeah, but we never had time that day to prepare it, so today we shall do it. Okay. Sweet pepper. Because while we're there, we can even do some line fishing. Right over there. Boy. Ew. Yes, we're gonna cook him. Hear this? Look here. Here, look. Listen to this.
Say that. What I'm buying?
Huh? Some more nerves. No, this. Look, listen.
When that
Finger gone.
Look at one teeth.
Yeah.
Feel on it. Feel it. Put it on next one.
Oh man.
It's not hurting, bro.
No. See now how I'm brave now that he's dead, but before I was like, I don't want to touch him. He might bite off my finger. Ready? We're gonna cook this.
Damn, I know what's going. I don't know what I'm doing. That I need an all-purpose knife like these. Put this on. That's all for cutting vegetables and that.
Ew. I don't know if I still want to eat the crab. Ew. That look like one head of one alien.
So that's Ed. Ed,
That I'm Ed? I'm brains?
yeah, everything.
Jesus. I don't want to eat him again. That's all garbage.
Yeah. Here's the meat then. With a red height.
No, it just look ugly. You know them Alien movie? You watch Alien? And he goes so and then the slime is all over.
Everything.
Yeah.
That's it, man.
But no, so where is it used to be?
In them place there, floor and foot. It's not in the back. Back is just to get clean up and everything else is just neat.
So nothing in this either? No, that empty.
No.
You.
That's
That gone. Oops. Okay.
That's the first show.
That reminds me of the Alien movie. You know the Alien? And then he goes so, and then there's the slime all over him. It just looked like that. Ew. Anyway, now that the head or brain or whatever is gone, so this part is where all the meat is. The legs. Yeah. All right. We're learning. We're learning.
Yeah.
I'm here fighting. I did it. Oh, one more.
Yeah, put it down. I can't work, you know? I can't work that.
Yeah.
No, I have to chop it. I don't know what they're doing. Put some strength in that joint.
Oh, that work. Oh.
Yeah, so you go well. Yeah, crack your son on the juice night. I want the juice can soak night, you know? Just stick off them one there. No, unless I have to come from wait. You have to take off here, so. You.
Hi.
Yeah. You want to pop this part control.
This control.
Yeah, come on. And that's cool.
Apple.
Oh. Kaya come today? Let's share this. Di ba kayo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is basically the parts we're gonna eat. Yeah. Aye. It's not cutting. I know you want me to cut up this, and I'm having a hard time. So. Yeah.
And a dry, you know, the cold stuff. That rain a fall.
Yeah.
A dry.
Eh? What? Hmm? All right. You have a lighter? Yeah? Give me. Thank you.
What? Yeah? Yeah, mom. Wash my hand. That's a good miracle.
That good? Yeah? Yeah. Watch me.
Yeah.
Catch the style. They like this at cheers. People look at this. Yeah. Look at this. Rich. We'll do it. Alright, stir the pot. Seasoning. Yes. Lovely. Slimy. The slime is coming from the okra. Yeah. Okra.
Yeah, chef. What? Roast and all. Yeah, roast and all. You know what? Put it here.
Alright, throw it. Alright. Cook. We cook together. Everything.
No, I see them for eating.
Yeah?
She will share something. No, I see them.
Everything inside? Stir it now. Stir it here. Stir it. Very good. Yeah. All right. Ladies in the kitchen. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Yes. The stove cooking. Yeah. Under the breadfruit tree. Uh-huh. Is that the right way? Yeah? All right. Give me a high five. Yeah. Good stuff. Good stuff.
Yeah, cook. Yeah? Yeah, cook, chef.
Yeah, big chef. All right, that is that. Yeah. Oh, there's more puppies. Puppies. Curry.
Curry.
Yeah, that's it. All right, people. 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 Pot a bubble. Pot a bubble. Yeah, about yeah, pot a bubble. No?
Yeah.
Yeah. You wanna come down? Or are you good?
Yeah.
Yeah, what? You wanna come down? No? You stay there? Alright.
What would she say now?
I know.
Not bubble.
She just can't talk.
Bubble. Bubble. It's bubble she's saying.
Yeah, bubble.
Yeah, bubble.
Nak spray pot tu? Kau putih tak so. Kau putih man. Don't throw it and take time.
Take your time. Because it's hot. Yes.
Yeah.
But take your time. You see like this? You take your
Put
time.
one spoon. Where's spoon so? Put in.
Hi.
Hi.
Thank you.
Greetings.
Pwede.
Tita.
Yan ang sinakaan man. Yan ang sinakaan.
Abak yo.
Hindi ba bakas o?
Tita.
Uy. Mananakama kami.
Abak yo.
Inapat.
Yeah.
Wala doon.
Na.
Iya dan doon.
Tita.
Uy. Ano hindi?
Tita.
Uy.
Tita.
Chris?
Yeah.
Anak-anak?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Anak-anak brother?
Yeah.
Anak-anak.
Abaya.
A dumpling.
Adom.
A dumpling? Awa.
This. Dublin.
A dumpling.
Yeah.
Very big like.
Baby. Yeah.
Uy.
Hey man. Mommy. Nah.
Very nice.
To the back.
Ako na.
Yeah. Apa dah? Apa dah? Hmm.
They don't know.
Okay.
Come say no.
Yep.
See?
Hey! Watch out!
Don't.
Nice!
Don't know.
But ready.
Ready is here, so no. You used to it.
Hey!
Okay. They don't know American. They American wine, no.
Yeah, that's hers.
So that's the answer with the rice there. And then I know with the Irish everything cook.
Alright, yeah. Hot, ready. Right, just like that. And some breadfruit. Roast some breadfruit.
Hello. Nice. That's hello.
Country lifestyle. You see guys, that's how we do it. Breadfruit, pot or bubble. We have fresh catch.
Bagla.
No.
Habis.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh,
You want come?
Eh.
you want corn?
Ready.
Want corn or crab? Hmm.
Wait, come food naman.
Smell nice. Yeah. So rice next.
Done people, you know.
So I can add one more dish to my skills. I now can cook. Well, I should no. All right, let me eat it first before I praise the dish.
It look
good
it look
for
good.
sure.
Look at. Can I play come?
Ah,
Come here, can.
it's hot, you know. Take your time with it.
Go on. Don't come back here. Don't come back. Go on, go sit down. Don't come back. Don't come back. Not Toronto. Yeah, take it off.
You will take it off because I'm not playing with this pot. Next thing you know, it's on the ground.
Put it on kind of by itself.
So it cannot drop.
Yeah.
And they are not playing with the rice. Jasmine rice? Uh-huh. Jasmine?
Ayo.
No.
Ayo.
No, tak nak apa ni? Ugi kan? No.
Ayo.
No.
Oh, it is.
Nice.
Nice?
You want more?
Huh?
You good now?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright.
Come on, take off. Go.
Everything is here. Ackee tree, banana, plantain, pear. Oh my god. This is it. Pineapple. Oh.
How about that? Here.
They ready?
Yeah.
No, really, you know. But some of them drop some, some of them
Oh
drop
no,
some
they're tough.
And then I wrap and shift. So them drop some
Oh.
See more, yeah.
Oh.
I can't talk about it. No stuff on that. That's like my tour guide.
What else is here? Show me. What else we have? Yeah, what else is here? We have
Banana.
banana tree. What, an apple? No. Apple tree?
Apple tree.
Apple, yeah. I love apple.
Apple tree. Yeah.
Noonie. You see noonie? Noonie?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You like noonie? You sure about that? You sure about that? See guys, noonie. I do not like noonie. Think. Pineapple? You like pineapple?
Apple. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, tour guide.
That's a country life, everything in your backyard. That is it. Catch and cook. Yeah, we went for the crab. You know, the jackfish that eat already. So, what's up here? Too bad. Too bad, none of the pear ready. I love pear.
Lumbeya.
Tough.
Lumbeya. Yeah.
Pear.
Nebeya.
Pear.
Nebe.
Mm-hmm.
Pear.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. The same color. Similar.
Some of them coming for some.
Maybe if we put it down a little bit. Maybe put it down.
When they reach a level, they drop off. A green skin pear, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
So they drop off when they reach pineapple level.
Time.
You can see the prawn and keep it.
Da-da-da-da. Snapper in the freezer.
Yeah, that's right.
How much pound?
I think 10 or 11.
What? You catch it where? Over so?
Yeah, no, same place over. What a night.
Hold it, yeah. Hey! Oh my god, I want to catch something like these people one day. Look at this. How much pound? 10?
No, 9 out of 10.
9 or something? Let's call it 10 because it look like 10. Yeah, big boy. You get catch. Yo. That is the catch of the day. One day I shall catch one of these. One day. Speak it into the universe. Yeah, but he's not ready yet.
Yeah.
He's not ready yet. I have to put on 2 days.
I'm doing it.
Yeah. It's almost ready and I'm very ready to taste my first king crab. Yes, it's my first time. So, catch and cook, preparing king crab. Yeah. Do it. So let's see. But it looks delicious. It really looks delicious. What just dropped right next to me? Nearly get knocked out by a breadfruit.
Dah nak warna?
Ya?
Nak warna?
Weh. Dia maafin lah. Ya, okey, komputer. Apa sama ayo? Jam. Pas. Kamu nak udah fikir sama. Kamu sen so fikir dah. Ay, kumain mo.
Zap.
Ya, Jam.
Ya.
Saya ya.
Hot. Yeah. How much are we?
Kita.
Hmm?
Dan. Dan.
Put.
Tam ya. Tam.
What?
Tam.
Kan?
No tam.
What?
Tam.
What ni tu?
Tam.
Kam.
Ya.
Cap.
Ya.
Ugi cap.
You.
Mana kena cap?
Ya.
No.
Ite. Itu mereka.
Everything you want.
Yang mereka wah.
Want this one?
Ya.
Mereka lo mana ayo?
Yang mana? Dia aja.
Whoa, what is this plate, man?
Wow wow. Tay Tom.
Scary job? Really?
Here, no.
Some more legs or what?
Put some. For this.
Harris.
Mereka.
Don't get them can.
Mereka.
Some fat.
And a hammer.
Yeah, can't put.
And a stone.
Dad.
Can you camp? Bye to the
Mereka ber. Tata Tom. Mereka. Mimi.
Spark can't eat the lot. Where is it? More. Two more.
Mama.
Yeah.
Dah.
Gonna do to this crab. I need a hammer.
Mereka tu.
Go on.
Iya, itu aku
Iya.
mah.
Ya wah. Ya wah.
That's not bad. That's not bad. Come out for some more. What? You know how this go? Yes. How it is? It is alright.
Cooking by Jessica. One Zai Zai. Don't know. Trouble?
Trouble? Crab leg.
Some sugar.
I'm going to store now. That's how you did it?
Yeah. Oxy.
Oh, wrong.
Everybody was spoon now. Need a spoon.
Look.
Put it next to you now. I guess we'll see now.
Oh, hey. Okay.
You can't say them all.
And them, same.
No, they can't. That one.
Bite. Look here, look here. Here it is.
Eat it.
What do you think? What kind of teeth?
Eat it.
Put my teeth.
She wants some brook. Here you go.
Look at this.
Curry crab
I'm clear.
with the jasmine rice.
Can't go for cause man for school. And I'm afraid that I'm can't get there for a coffee in time.
Yeah, there. My word. Me a boss sweat. This is it. Check. I'm thinking I can hold in the way we. Bye guys.
Bye, guys.
Very big like.
Bye
Bye bye.
bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching.
Watching.
Catch us.
Get us nice adventure.
Check out Anthony Spearfishing JA channel on YouTube. I will leave the link in the description below.
Yeah,
And yeah, bye. Catch you guys on the next adventure. Bye.
Bye.